Vista Mall. Eight 17 p.m. January 2026, Governor XD, Part 1. Noon edition series, Webinar Vlog. So, how are you today, guys? By the way, ako personally, I'm very happy, I'm very confident. I'm so happy nga nagkaroon kami ng college retreat gahapon and karong adlaw. And by the way, nakaabot ko sa Assumption 5:12 p.m. Uli na akong balay, mga traffic kung kayo. Hapit na alas 6. Hapit na alas 6. Okay? So, that's it. That's it, guys. So, wala akong nag-vlog dito sa kuan. Wala akong nag-vlog dito sa retreat house. Although wala man confiscate ang among cellphone. Wala akong nag-vlog charger. Wala yung signal dito. And then, wala lang po ko ng cellphone para man lang po maka-relax lang po ko, para man lang ma-recharge, ma-refresh. Kita-kits Flex vlog, 8:18 p.m.